viewers, today we are going to create something simple, warm and deeply meaningful. We are working with jute, a natural earthy fiber, and pine cones gathered from nature. These are materials that carry softness, calm and gentle rustic beauty. And we will also talk about mindfulness, inner peace and healthy living, because true decoration is not just for our home, it is also from our heart. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulder, and let your mind soften. This is your peaceful crafting moment. Jute is humble, it has no loud shine, no artificial glow, but that is exactly where the beauty lives. It reminds us for nature of simplicity and of calm. When we work with jute, we slow down, our hands move gently, and in that slowness, the heart begins to rest. This is not fast crafting, this is mindful crafting, one quiet motion at a time. Hold a pine cone softly in your hand, feel its natural shape. It took years to form, just like good thing in our life, it grew slowly. Now take a piece of jute string, wrap it gently around the top of the pine cone, tie a small knot slowly without rushing, add a teeny bow or small beads if you like simple, natural, peaceful. This ornament carries calm energy. It does not have to be perfect, it only need to be made with ease. As you work, notice your breathing. Inhale softly, exhale slowly. If any thoughts come, let it pass. If the mind tries to hurry, let the hands remind it to slow down. Crafting is not about speed, it's about presence. Cut a star shape from cardboard or thick paper, wrap jute string around it. Slow movement, gentle wrapping, listen to the sound of the fiber, feel the texture, let your hands guide you. When finished, you can add a small piece of greenery or a teeny pine cone in the center. This star is a simple, but simplicity is powerful. It brings a feeling of quiet Christmas warmth. While you craft, notice how your body feels. Your breath becomes deeper, your heartbeat slows, your mind becomes clearly, your emotions settle. This is healing. In a world of noise, speed and constant pressure, crafting slowly reminds us you don't have to rush, you don't have to chase everything, you can live gently. Peace is found in small moments like this one. Place a few pine cones in a small bowl or plate, wrap a thin jute ribbon around them, and a candle or a ribbon or a sprig of greenery. This becomes a simple table centerpiece, not expensive, not complicated, just warm, just peaceful, just enough. Because beauty does not need to be big, it's only need to be meaningful. Handmade decoration hold memories, they hold feeling, they hold quiet moments we spent making them. When see someone walk into your home and see the decoration, they did not see cheap, they see care, they see warmth, they see heart. And when you look at them, you will remember this meaningful moment. Look at what you created today with your hands, your breath, your presence. These jute ornament and pine cones decoration are more than decor. They are reminders the life can be simple, the peace is possible, the slowing down is healthy, that the small moments matter most. May your home feel warm, may your heart feel light, may your Christmas be gentle, soft, and peaceful. Hope you like the video. So stay tuned with us till the end. If you want, I can now also advise you how to make your home most beautiful, cozy, and magical. You can visit my channel. There is lots of amazing project, amazing DIY crafting. It will help you to make your home cozy and magical on upcoming Christmas event. If you are new, so please must subscribe my channel, share the video with your friends and family if you like it, and must post your valuable comments, your suggestions, your thoughts about crafting, about my videos. And as I already stated, I love your support and I'm really thankful to your support. Actually, I need your support, so please keep watching my channel, keep supporting. Have a wonderful and amazing Christmas ahead. God bless you all. Love you all. Thanks for watching Craft by Alina. Thanks for. God bless you.